Hello there, good afternoon, and this is Kaur from English Aasan, and it's our day 28, and I am very excited that we have reached at our day 28 and we are consistent. And consistency is the key to success. So, if you guys are consistent with me, and if you are watching my videos on your daily basis, and if you are learning from my videos, then you are definitely going to be a good speaker in your future. So, uh, thanks for the support which you guys are giving to me, and I am reading comments on my daily basis, and you guys, many of you guys are encouraging me a lot by giving me or by sending a comments on my videos, and that's a kind of big encouragement for me. That's a kind of big support for me. If you guys are watching my videos, and like you guys are responding or giving feedback to me, so that is a kind of thing which matters a lot for me. Okay, the main motive of making videos, that is just, I just want you to tell you that if I am learning in this way, or what are the problems of learning English, or how can you learn English. So I'm trying to explain every topic in my videos. I'm trying to explain, and I'm trying to give my best. Okay, and even we have learned many vocabulary words, and like we have learned those words by some stories, as well as I have explained a lot of problems. For example, if you are scared, then what you should do. If you are scared of speaking English, what are the fixing things, like how can you fix these problems, like this. So I have explained a lot, and still I'm trying to explain. And in my next videos, I will try to give my 101%. Okay, because I just want you to give a good content related to learning English. And this is not helpful for all of you, even it's helpful for me. Okay, it's a kind of it's a kind of responsibility of me right now. Like I have started one course, and if I will not post video on my daily basis, or if will I will not post videos on my daily basis, so I will break that consistency, and I don't want to do that. So if I am consistent, please try to be consistent with me. And I am damn sure, if I am able to learn English, if I am able to speak English, you guys can too. But what you have to do, you have to be consistent. Okay, for example, uh, right now, like I have a lot of friends in my college. I have a lot of friends, but they don't like to speak in English. They feel afraid. Even they don't have that much confidence. They are not confident like me. As I have a confidence to speak in English, they do not have that kind of confidence. And whenever they listen to me speaking in English, so at that time they laugh at me, and sometimes they just like forget everything while listening to me. They just forget what, and even they don't like they are not able to understand me. Still I'm speaking like very simple English. I'm trying to make very simple sentences, but they are not able to understand me. Like their mind goes blank whenever they listen to me. And I just want to tackle this problem by speaking slow and simple English. I know that many of you guys are just beginner here, and many of you guys want to tackle this problem. Like you want to improve your English, you want to escalate your knowledge of English, but there are many problems which are asking you, you are in danger. You don't, like you don't have, like you shouldn't speak in English. Like they are telling you that you are in danger, but you are not in danger. If you really want to learn English, you have to be consistent. You have to put your efforts. And many of my videos, like in all of my videos, I just try to speak very simple English. I just like, my main motive of making video. Like whenever I try to speak in English, whenever I speak in English, I make very simple sentences by using very simple connectors. So you guys can also do this. Okay, like whatever you have did in your whole day, try to like talk about that in English. For example, let me explain about my day. Like firstly, I woke up around 6 o'clock. Then I took bath, and in between I brushed my teeth and also washed my hairs. As well as after that, I got ready. I wore my clothes, as well as after that, I helped my ma- I helped my mother to make breakfast. Okay, I also made tea for myself as well as for my family, and then I started to do my work. Okay, and I am on leave today. Okay, so that's why I didn't go to my college. So after that, here some work of construction is running around my home. Some work of construction is running, so that's why um, we have a lot of work in our house. Like we have to make breakfast, then lunch, then dinner, and in between we have to do some work, like we have to pick up the bricks. Okay, sometimes because some work of construction is running, so that is why sometimes I have to help my uh, family members to do work whenever I get some free time. Okay, so after that, um, and after that I helped my mother to make lunch, and then I served lunch to my family. Okay, and after that I also took lunch. Like I had my lunch. Like that was one chapati with the dal, as well as in the lunchtime we also have tea. Like we have tea too. So that's a kind of main thing that we have in our lunch. And apart from this, uh, now it's evening time. Okay, it's not evening, not afternoon, it's in between. Okay, in between, so it's at that kind of time. And at this time I'm a bit free, so that's why I'm recording myself and I'm trying to explain whatever I did in my day. Okay, so this is how you guys can also explain your whole day. Okay, and that's all for today. And if you have learned something from my video, then like it, share it, and subscribe my video. Sorry, subscribe my channel. Sorry.